welcome ulit sa aking channel mga bata. Okay, I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung mga previous lessons natin about mathematics. And today, we are going to discuss more of mathematics. Now, fractions naman tayo. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi tayo updated sa mga susunod pa nating lessons. So today, ang pag-aaralan natin is addition and subtraction of similar fractions with and without regrouping. Hope you will welcome guys. So for our lesson today, we have addition and subtraction of similar fractions with and without regrouping. So yan yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. So ano nga ba ang way para ma-solve natin yung addition and subtraction ng meron at walang regrouping? Okay, example, you have 3/5 plus 4/5. For all we know, so similar fractions have the same denominators, no? So kapag similar fractions, wala tayong problem. All we need to do is add the numerator. 3 plus 4 is 7. So don't forget, yung denominator is just copy. Okay? Copy the denominator. Don't add the denominator. Only the numerator ang i-add. Now, as you can see, mas malaki si 7 kaysa kay 5. Okay. So, okay. 7 over 5, right? 7 over 5. So, that means, meron tayong 7. Let's say you have 7 circles na ilalagay natin sa one box. Okay? Sa loob ng isang box, sabi, the denominator tells us, yung denominator natin, siya yung nagsasabi kung ilan yung pwedeng ilagay sa isang box o sa isang buo. So, the box here tells us kung ilang buo. Okay? So, yung 5 natin, ilalagay natin sa box. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, makakabuo tayo ng isang box. Right? So, that means, out of 7, may natira pa tayong dalawa. So, that means nakabuo tayo ng 1 whole, isang box, at may natira pang dalawa, 5 is the denominator. So, ganun natin isi-simplify si 7 over 5. So, remember, so, 5 ang laman ng isang box. Si 7, pag nilagay natin sa box, magkakaroon tayo ng isang box na buo. How many yung matitira? That will be 2. Okay? So, to check, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay? Another example. Okay, let's have another example. Okay. Let's say you have 6 and 3/4 plus 5 and 2/4. Yan. So, this time, add natin na si numerator. 2 plus 3 is 5 over 4. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay? So, add the whole number. That will be our new whole number. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So, as you can see here, 5 over 4. Masyadong malaki si 5 para kay 4. So, that means it is improper. No? Improper fraction has a bigger numerator than the denominator. So, ilang 4 ang makukuha natin kay 5? Okay. So, si 5 over 4 is i-rename pa natin. So, 5, makakabuo pa tayo ng isang box out of 4. Isang box, ilan natira kay 5? 1, correct. So, 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, si 1, idadagdag natin kay 11. Just add. So, 11 plus 1 is 12. So, that means magiging 12 and 1/4. Okay, mas simpler. Mas simple. Paano natin masasagot siya na mas simple? Mas madali. Okay, padaliin natin. So, for all we know, ang isang box ay naglalaman ng 4. Okay? So, para mapuno ang isang box, kailangan natin ng 4 na numerator. So, si 3, ilan ang kulang niya para maging 4? Yes, kulang siya ng 1. So, si 3, pwede nating hiramin kay 1, kay 2. 1 plus 1. So, ibibigay natin dito si 1, magiging 4. Right? Makakabuo na tayo ng isang buo. Because that will be 4 over 4. So, 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So, 1, meron tayong 1 whole here. 1 whole. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1, 12. Ilan natira dito? 1 plus 4, 1 over 4. Not 1 plus 4. It's 1/4. So, 12 and 1/4. Okay, another example. You have 6 and 2/5 plus 4 and 3/5 plus 5 and 1/5. So, similar fractions. Walang problema. So, i-add lang natin. So, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, para hindi tayo mahirapan, pagsamahin na lang natin yung kayang mabuo. Ilan yung 1 whole natin? Kailangan 5. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, that is isang buo na yan. Pag pinagsama natin itong dalawang to, makakabuo na tayo ng isang box. Right? So, 1 whole. So, may natira pa tayong 1/5. So, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 plus yung 1 whole natin na nabuo out of this and this. Right? So, magiging 16. So, ang natitira na lang yung ating 1/5. 16 and 1/5. You see? Hindi na tayo nag-simplify. Finish na siya. Okay? So, subtraction. Okay, subtraction naman tayo. Let's say you have 4 and 3/5 minus 2 and 2/5. So, first of all, una natin kailangan i-minus ay ang fraction bago yung whole number. Laging ganon. So, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 over 5. Same denominator. Then, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Finish. That's it. So, let's say you have 6 and 4. 6 minus 3 and 1/6. Okay? So, 4 minus 1 is 3 over denominator 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay. This time, pwede pa natin i-simplify si 3 over 6. Right? Kasi pwede pa natin i-divide both sides or both numerator and denominator by 3. So, pwede pa natin paliitin. So, 3 divided by 3, it will become 1. Okay? 6 divided by 3 will become 2. Okay, remember, kapag nagsisimplify tayo, it should be the same number. Kung maano yung numerator and i-divide natin sa 3, i-divide din natin si denominator by 3. So, hindi pwedeng 2 sa taas, dito sa kabila ay iba. Hindi pwedeng 3 dito, sa kabila, iba. Okay? So, the final answer will be 3 and 1/2. Huwag kakalimutan si whole number. Okay? Ang pinaliit lang natin is 3 over 6 kasi pwede pa siyang masimplify into 1/2. So, 3 and 1/2. That will be our final answer. So, another example. Yan. Okay. Let's say you have 12 and 3/8 minus 6 and 7/8. So, unahin muna natin i-subtract ang fraction. So, 3 minus 7. So, as you can see, 3 minus 7 cannot be subtracted. So, hindi natin pwede i-subtract. So, this time, kailangan natin manghiram. Kanino tayo manghihiram? Kay 12. So, usually, ang ginagawa dyan natin before, nire-regroup natin si 12, magiging 11 and 8 over 8 plus 3/8. Right? Bakit 8 over 8? Kasi ito yung 1 whole. 8 over 8. Kasi ang denominator natin ay 8. So, 8 over, kaya 8 over 8. So, 1 whole plus 11 equals 12. Okay? So, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 over 8. Right? Yan. So, that was before. Ngayon, may mas simpleng paraan dyan para hindi na natin ito babalikan. Okay? So, ito yung itinuro sa atin before. Now, may mas simple. Okay, remember in fraction, pag nagbaborrow tayo, we borrow 1 whole. Okay, si 3 manghihiram kay 12. So, si 12 magiging 11. Ilan ang hiniram ni 3 kay 11? Ay, kay 12 rather. Ilan hiram ni 3 kay 12? Nanghiram siya ng 1 whole. Ilan yung laman ng 1 whole? That is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So, ganun lang kasimple. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Nakapanghiram na tayo. Ang hiniram ni 3 ay yung bilang ng denominator. That's 1 whole. So, nanghiram siya ng 1 whole, which is equivalent to 8. Okay? So, that's why it becomes 11 over 8. Nagborrow na tayo. That's it. So, 11 minus 7, pwede na. That will be 4 over 8. 11 minus 6 equals 5. Now, pwede pa i-simplify. Divided by, saan? Okay, 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, that will be 1 half. Okay, 8 divided by 4, 2. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So, 5 and 1 half. That will be the final answer. So, remember ha, kapag nag-borrowing tayo sa fraction, we borrow the number of denominator. Yung bilang ng denominator ang binaborrow natin. Example, another one. We have 6 and 3, 7 minus 4 and 5 over 7. So, 3 minus 5 cannot be. So, manghihiram si 3 kay 6. Magiging 5. So, si 3 manghihiram ng ilan? 7 ang hihiramin niya. So, 7 plus 3 equals 10. So, nanghiram si 3 ng isang buo, which is equivalent to 7. Right? So, now, pwede na tayo mag-subtract. Nakapag-borrow ka na. 10 minus 5 equals 5 over 7. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Then, hindi na natin pwede i-simplify. That's the final answer. 5 over 1 and 5 over 7. Okay, that's all for our first lesson today. So, subtracting and adding similar fraction with and without regrouping. So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung video and stay healthy and safe on your home. So, don't forget to subscribe and like the videos that I have.